The crypto market is crashing. Sell everything. The bull market is over, or else you are going to lose all your money. Hakuna Matata. We all need to relax. There is way too much fear in the market. Before the crypto market crashed, it was pumping like crazy a few days ago. Hence why I told everyone in my community we need to sell and take profit, because there was actually a lot of signs that were saying, hey, prices are probably going to go down. And I know that's great for me. That's great for my community. We all made money. But what about you? So I am going to teach you exactly what I saw when I was analyzing the crypto market, because the crypto market repeats itself again and again and again. And if you're able to see these patterns, you're able to recognize them, then you'll know what to do to make the best investment, to make the best trade, so that you can make your crypto wallet more bigger, more juicier, more lump, so that you can have more money in your crypto wallet. If you enjoyed the crypto gems that I'm about to share with you, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and my promise to you is that I will share the best crypto advice, knowledge that has helped me succeed in crypto to help you in your crypto journey, because we can all achieve our crypto financial goals together. We saw the crypto market pump because Donald Trump made a tweet about the National Reserve, and he said that Bitcoin, Ethereum will be a part of the National Reserve along with other cryptocurrencies, specifically XRP, Solana, and ADA. And with that simple tweet, we saw Bitcoin go up almost 22%, Ethereum almost 22%, XRP almost 56%, Solana almost 22%, and Cardano ADA was crazy. It went up almost 110% within 24 hours. There's people that invest in the stock market, in the real estate market, that wait years to get 100% return on their investment, and we got it within 24 hours. And when the market was pumping and did this parabolic move toward the upside, that is when I messaged to my community to take profit. And it's because when you look at the crypto chart and you see a parabolic move toward the upside, a quick spike, a lot of times it's not sustainable, and it always leads to a downtrend. So if you are someone who is looking to make profit in the short term, make sure that every time you see the crypto market, regardless of which crypto it is, when you see parabolic move toward the upside, you have to take some profit, unless you're holding that crypto project for the long term, because there's such a high likelihood you are going to see prices move down. Now, this is the money making part. This is the principal part. This is the part you gotta listen to, pay attention, and lock it in, because if you can grasp this principle and learn it, it will help you make more money. All right, so this is how I knew that the crypto market was going to go down, and there was a high likelihood that it was going to run up. And when Donald Trump made that tweet, it ran up. It actually started in November, because when looking at Bitcoin future chart, you can see that there is a gap, and that gap was between a $80,000 Bitcoin to a $73,000 Bitcoin. And whenever you're looking at the future BTC chart and you start seeing these gaps, there is a high probability that Bitcoin is going to fill that gap, because it happens again and again and again. So when I saw this gap back in November of 2024, I knew, hey, even though Bitcoin right now is at $100,000, there is a very high likelihood it is going to retrace back within that zone. And you can see that within the last few days, Bitcoin retraced back within that $70,000 price range. And that's when I mentioned in my community, it is a great opportunity to buy. And we did. And once majority of that gap was filled, we saw that price of Bitcoin and the crypto market spiked up. But because of the way it spiked up, remember what I said? Every time you see the crypto market, regardless of which crypto it is, when you see parabolic move toward the upside, you have to take some profit, unless you're holding that crypto project for the long term. And that's how I knew to buy and to take profit. But why did the crypto market crash again? It already dropped down towards the 80K price range, and then it went parabolic because Donald Trump tweeted about Solana, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, all being a part of the National Reserve. Well, the crypto market crashed again because we're in a situation where we could potentially see a trade war between US, Canada, China, and Mexico, because Donald Trump is implementing tariffs, and investors don't like that. Any situation where you have political tension between different countries and what's going to happen seems very unpredictable, then you'll see the market go down. Hence why we saw the stock market have a red day, and we're seeing the crypto market having a massive red day as well. because investors like stability. They like predictability because it makes them feel more comfortable knowing that they're putting their money somewhere where it's most likely going to go up, because economically everything's look good. But because of the trade war, it puts us in a situation where cost of goods are going to go up. We're seeing consumer spending go down, and we just don't really know how this situation is going to get resolved or when it's going to get resolved. But this is the good thing, is when this situation gets resolved, the market is going to have a massive bounce towards the upside. We saw it last month when there was supposed to be tariff on Mexico and China on the US, but they delayed it for 30 days. And when they made that announcement, we saw the market absolutely bounce towards the upside. So once it gets resolved again, which sooner or later I believe it will, we are going to see the market have a massive green day. But the real question is, what can we do to make more money? Because if you're still watching the video to this point, congratulations, because it means you're someone who is seriously about leveling up your crypto profit and making more money in this industry. So number one is being very clear on your goals. What is your crypto goals? Is it to make money in the long term, or is it to make money in the short term? Because depending on how your goal is, you're going to invest differently, you're going to trade differently. So let's talk about if your goal is to make money in the long term. Well, that's really easy. What you need to do is have dip money, meaning when you see these crypto chart has these massive red days where prices move parabolically toward the downside, those are the times where you look to buy. Because come closer, I'm about to tell you something, and I want you to remember this, and this is serious. I believe Bitcoin, come a little closer, Bitcoin will reach $1 million one day. I don't know when that's going to happen, but I do believe that one day we will see that price target. So if you're someone, like I said, you're investing for the long term, as you continue to see Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency that you're very bullish on for the long term do these massive parabolic downtrend, these massive huge red days, those are the times where you look to accumulate and you put them in your hardware wallet. But if you're someone where you're looking to make profit for the short term, then the crypto project that you can consider trading are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, and Solana. Why those cryptos? Because those are the exact crypto that Donald Trump said are going to be a part of the reserve. Now, we know this was going to happen because during his campaign, he talked about it. I will be the cryptocurrency president. I want America to lead the world in crypto. And we saw the crypto market boom, do very well. But now what's going to happen is the day we actually read a news article, when you're on social media, when you're on Instagram, when you're on X, and you see it says Donald Trump has bought X amount of Bitcoin or X amount of Ethereum, Solana, XRP towards the reserve, then you are going to see that crypto pump significantly. Hence why just a few days ago when we saw the crypto market run up so much, which was a crypto project that did extremely well? It was Solana, XRP, ADA, BTC, and Ethereum. So once they actually start allocating funds towards those cryptocurrency, we are going to see them move rapidly. And on top of that, then China, then Russia, then countries in Europe and around the world are going to start accumulating a lot more aggressively, because now they're actually going to see that the US has a crypto reserve and they're accumulating more Bitcoin and they're accumulating other cryptocurrency. FOMO's gonna start to kick in. Countries are always competing against each other to see who is the best, who is going to lead the way. We're gonna start seeing institutions and banks start accumulating more crypto and adoption happening at a global international level at a significantly higher speed and rate that we expected. You know that there are people where crypto has completely changed their lives, and I am one of those people. So if you are someone who really wants to crush it when it comes to investing and trading crypto, because you know you can achieve more and you can do more, check the link in the bio where I am hosting a free live crypto class where I'm going to share different strategies, different techniques that has helped me accomplish and achieve everything I have in crypto. You keep telling yourself, I'm going to succeed in crypto, I am going to learn this, I am going to do well, and you're on social media and you keep seeing other people do it while you're still struggling. struggling. So in my live online crypto class, I'm going to answer your crypto investing trading questions, and I'm going to show you my strategies and techniques. What if you want to make money in the short term? Which crypto project should you focus on trying to swing trade, trying to day trade? You should focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, ADA. Wait, that's the exact same crypto as the long term. Yes, and the reason why is because when you're new to investing and trading crypto and you want to make money in the short term, it is significantly harder than making money in the long term. But that doesn't mean you can't do it. And the reason why you pick those exact same crypto is when you're new, you are going to struggle. You are going to take some bad trades and make some mistakes. But when you select crypto projects such as Bitcoin, which has shown us year over year, always reaches a new all-time high, which means even if you invest at a bad time, even if you make a terrible trade, Bitcoin, Solana, those cryptocurrency have proven year over year they will always go up in price. And now because those 5 cryptos are going to be part of the reserve, it means when Donald Trump announces, hey, we are buying these crypto, they are going to potentially move up significantly. So while you're in the learning curve of learning how to make profit in the short term, in case you mess up, you're buying crypto projects that are set up to do the best. Because there's only 2 ways to fast forward your crypto success. Number 1, you fail really fast, but you don't want to lose your money. So then that leads to option number 2, which is learning from someone who has already done it, who has already walked the path and has accomplished what you want to accomplish, which is one of the reasons why I'm doing the free online crypto class to help you fast forward your crypto journey. And a great way to practice is just by going on Google and type in crypto paper trading so that you can invest with fake money. You can trade with fake money so that you can see, hey, I'm profitable with fake money. Then this is a great indication I'm probably ready to allocate and invest real money in crypto. When I was new to crypto, I saw these guys on YouTube who had millions of followers, and I would buy every crypto project they said buy at this time, and it never ended up well for me. I always lost money, but I didn't stop. I kept investing my time into learning. I kept investing into my education. Like multi-billionaire Warren Buffett said, the more you learn, the more you earn. And crypto has completely changed my life. It's how I was able to pay my student loan for the university I went to. It's how I was able to get my first investment property and second and third and fourth. So I want to let you know, if you're somewhere in your life where you're not happy where you are financially and you want to achieve more and you want to accomplish more, I want to let you know that you can do it. Keep investing in your education, keep learning, and you can succeed in the world of crypto. Other people have done it, I have done it, and you can do it too. And if there's any crypto questions that you have for me, leave them below. I will read them and I will answer you. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I'll be coming out with regular videos to help you in your crypto journey.